Have you ever spent ages designing something like a flowchart and then decided some of the shapes need to be changed? Then you've spent even more time deleting shapes and reinserting shapes, etc. Well, you can easily change any shape at any time. Click on the shape you'd like to change, then from the Format tab on the ribbon, click on Edit Shape. Then choose Change Shape. Click on the shape you'd like to change it to, and there you go. Any text in the shape will remain there, and everything will be in proportion. Neat! Catch up again soon. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.